Oh, great. So P for pull the safety pin. A for aim the fireplace. S for squeeze or open the cylinder. And another S for sweep it on the base. So in the beginning I asked an important question. What is the safety procedure when there is a earthquake? Suppose there is an earthquake in your building when you are working. If tremor starts, what you will do? Will you evacuate immediately? Will you stay back? What we have to do during earthquake? Hey, great. Who said that? Hide under the table. Very good. Please come forward. Good. If there is no table, hide under the table, madam said. If there is no table, what do we have to do? Sorry? Come out. If there is no table, use any furniture to safeguard your supercomputer. Okay, that is the reason we are asking you to hide under the table. So when you are hiding under the table, it is not going to protect you 100%, but somehow it will reduce the impact from the falling debris, concrete debris. Okay, you need to hide under the table. If there is no table, if the room is empty, no furniture. Any civil engineers? Mechanical, electrical. If there is no table, chair and there is no furniture, please go and hide in the corners where you will have a structural stability. A simple science. Because of the gravity force, center part of the room will get damaged first. To safeguard yourself, you need to hide in the corners or close to the pillars, concrete pillars. Okay? And once the tremor will not last for more than 5 minutes. Once tremor stops, then you can evacuate from the floor. Till that time, don't go stand close to the